Hi from Club Scrap, this is Trisha with our Harbor Town page kit, and from this kit you can make 8 12x12 scrapbook pages fully embellished and ready to go. Let's take a peek at what comes in the box, starting with our seagull print and our sunny sky print. I love these bright, bold colors. And then to complement them, we have 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 2 green, gorgeous cover weight cardstock that will help complement the pages. And then finally, we have 2 12x12 printed cut aparts. These are filled with border strips, other images from the kit, and journaling prompts to make quick work of finishing your pages. And to extend the life of those larger sheets, our monthly kits also include a dozen photo mats to perfectly mat 4x6 photos. You have 3 blue, red, green, and yellow. Club Scrap also includes ribbon in their monthly kits, and this month we have a red twill, this really super soft green, and some blue cord. Goodies this month include a sheet of these colorful enamel dot stickers, a set of 3 red metallic flattened bottle caps, along with some corresponding epoxy stickers, and a set of 4 tiny house woodcuts. Now, the best part about Club Scrap is we don't just send you a kit, we also provide you with some printable instructions that guide you through every cut and trim to turn everything that came in the box into those beautiful pages. And here are those layouts ready for your pictures, complete with your page titles, all of those goodies incorporated. The ribbon has been coordinated. You can see more of those enamel dots, the flattened bottle cap in use. And I think these would be really fun pages for any activity you have going on this summer, perhaps a trip to Disney, maybe a cruise, maybe you're gonna be in Norway, maybe just fun from the backyard. So go ahead and pick up your Harbor Town page kit. Of course, anyone can shop, but members always save. I look forward to seeing you in our next workshop soon.